Hi. Today's a really special day. T to Z is finally out of the garage and she's running and driving. I drove her here to the house last night, and this is the first time that she has seen the street since August, which is a pretty big deal. Yesterday I visited somebody really special at a really special place, and kind of lit a little fire inside of me to get the car running finally so that we could drive it somewhere, but not just anywhere. We're going somewhere really, really special. I can't wait to show you guys. So, let's get going. It's cold out. Okay, it's holding an idle now. This is a little better. Hey, how's it going? Hi. Hi. Where should I go? It's over here. Alright.
You can always move it around whenever.
Yeah. Well, you guys, welcome to the Hideout. The Hideout is a building that Tiara's dad, Jimmy, and his very good friend from high school, Ray, recently acquired, and they've been talking to me about this a little bit over the couple times that I've been over to the house just to visit, and I finally came by the other day and got a chance to see it, and wow, is it glorious. I was so excited. I felt like a kid in a candy store when I got the opportunity to visit, and immediately upon my first visit, Ray invited for me to bring T to Z over to the shop. But not only for a visit, he offered for me to have T to Z stay at the shop. And I cannot think of a better home for this car. I am so happy to finally have it somewhere that it feels like it belongs, and I'm not just moving it around and trying to get it out of the way all the time. So when I came to the shop the other day, the Z wasn't running. It hasn't been running since August. I haven't had the motivation to try to fix the car, and I haven't had the desire to try to drive the car because I honestly really didn't know what I was going to do with it still to this day. It's been a very difficult thing for me to even wrap my brain around working on, and Ray and I got to talking about the Z, and he was like, you should bring it over here, but just like have it here and work on it, and we'll give you a key and you can come here whenever you want, shoot whatever you want. And I could not be more grateful. The fact that he's giving me such an opportunity to even have a space to work on something with all the tools that I'll ever need at my fingertips is one of the nicest gestures that anybody has ever done for me. But in addition to that, Jimmy is here. Now, Jimmy is Tiara's dad, so you guys can only imagine how magical that's really gonna feel to have the car in his presence. I was talking to them earlier today, and they were telling me that they thought that they were gonna have to fly to California just to see the car aside from the magazine shoot that it was in. And I just could not be any happier and more relieved that the car is here in their presence, in their space, and that all of us are gonna get to enjoy working on the car together and building the car together. I just think it's gonna be something really special, and I couldn't possibly think of better people to have their hands on the car. I feel like this car is really just gonna come to life with having all the Van Norwicks around, and just having their fingerprints on it and their energy around it is really gonna make me feel so much better, like I already am feeling inside, and all I did was drive the car over there today and drop it off. But anyways, just the idea of T to Z has been a long time coming, and with the conversations that we were having today and the energy that I felt in the shop just was the most alive I have felt in such a long time, and I am so excited to say that I can't wait to finally step foot into the next chapter. Yeah, so she's like, oh, just like turn around right here because we had like gone far enough. I was like, okay, I'll turn around in the Taco Bell parking lot. You know, I got stuck because my car was so low. So the both of us get out of my car. We try to push my car up the freaking Taco Bell drive-thru. My exhaust falls off in the drive-thru.
Oh my god!
I was like, okay. So both of us like really quick, like with our hoodies, we were like, it's gonna be really hot, but we just have to do it super fast. So we like had my trunk open already, immediately threw it in there and took off down the street. The two of us are like giggling the whole way back to my house. Jeez. So funny. It was so funny. I was like, what the hell? Like she was there for like so many little tiny milestones that like I didn't even realize were like milestones at the moment, you know. But she was just always there, for, like random stuff that was happening. I was like, dude.
She was always in the mix.
Yeah, she really was. She really was.
She loved she hated being by herself.